Hello everyone, this video we shall be looking at how to divide in base 4. Let's look at some examples. We have 2301 base 4 divided by 3 base 4. First of all, let us prepare our table. We have 3 times 0 equals to 0 in base 4 and 3 times 1 equals to 3 in base 4. 3 times 2 equals to 6, and 6 in base 4 is 1, remainder 2 in base 4. 3 times 2, 3 equals to 9. 9 in base 4 is 2, remainder 1 in base 4. So let's go back to our question. We have 2301 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 2 cannot, 3 divided by 23. So you come to your chart, look for a number that is 23 or a number that comes before 23. So you have 3 is 21, so you have 3. 3 times 3 is 21. You subtract. So you have 3 minus 1, 2, 1 is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So 2, 3 divided by 2 cannot bring down 0. So 3 divided by 20 is 2. 2 times 3 is 12. You subtract. You have 0 minus 2 cannot borrow 1 here, call it 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 divided by 2 cannot bring down the last number, which is 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 21. You subtract. You have 0. So therefore you have 3, 2, 3 in base 4. Let's look at another example. So we have 3, 3, 3, 1 in base 4 divided by 2, 3 in base 4. First of all, let us prepare our chart table. We have 23 times 0 equals to 0 in base 4. 23 times 1 equals to 23 in base 4. 23 times 2 equals to 23 times 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 in base 4 is 1, remainder 2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And 5 in base 4 is 1, remainder 1. So you have 1, 1, 2 in base 4. 23 times 3 equals to 2 0, 1 in base 4. So let us go back to our question. So you have 3331 divided by 23. So 23 divided by 3 cannot, 23 divided by 33. So you come to your chart, look for a number that is 33 or a number that come before 33. So when you look at my chart here, you have 23 and 112. So our answer is 1. 1 times 3 is 23 is 23. So you subtract it. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 23 divided by 10 cannot bring down your 3. 23 divided by 103. 103 is 1. 1 times 23 is 23. You subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 minus 2 cannot borrow 1 here. Call it 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 23 divided by 20 cannot bring down 1. 23 divided by 201 is 3. And 3 times 23 is 201. So minus, you have 0. So therefore, your answer is 113 in base 4. Answer. Thank you for watching.